Hi scientists, happy last week of school. You guys have worked so hard. So I'm really excited to celebrate with you all by doing 2 experiments this week. Our first one is about plate tectonics. I hope you already have done part of your deliverable, but this will be just to conclude with the learning that we've been doing about plate tectonics, and this is going to be a model. So, a couple things you need for this experiment, which you can do at home if you have the things and you would like to after I demonstrate how to do it, is peanut butter and some graham crackers and a glass of water. Doesn't really matter what temperature, just a regular glass of water. So, our peanut butter is going to be an example of magma in the earth, so you want to give it a pretty generous scoop. If you are allergic to peanut butter, a good alternative would be to use frosting, but we're going to try it with peanut butter first. So we have our peanut butter that's representing our really hot magma. Ooh, ow, so don't touch it. Okay, so we have that, and then we're going to use graham crackers. Oh, and this one's broken, so we'll use another one. Okay, so 2 graham crackers. These are representing 2 different plate tectonics. We're going to put them down into the peanut butter or the frosting or what would be the magma. So our graham cracker plate tectonics are going down into the magma. Okay. So they're right there. Okay. There's these 2 plate tectonics. I'm going to actually make them a little bit better. I'm going to try to get them as close as possible so they line up with each other. Yep, that looks a little bit better. Okay, so you have your 2 graham cracker plate tectonics on top of the magma. Then what you're going to do is, if you remember from when we were in class, if you have a convergent plate boundary makes a landform or a mountain. If you have a divergent plate boundary that separates, they're going to make a rift valley or a body of water. We're going to do just those 2. So, first we're going to do what we think would be divergent. We're going to see if this works, because I haven't done it. First time doing it with you. So you're going to take your hands and you're just going to separate the 2 graham crackers. Okay, awesome. So as you can see, you have a very nice rift valley right here. This could kind of be misleading. It looks a little bit like it's rising, but that's what happened, and they both separated, and you can see that these 2 plate tectonics are coming further apart from each other. Okay, great. So that's how you do divergent. Now, to do convergent, I'm just gonna set these graham crackers aside. I'll probably eat them later. Gonna get 2 different ones, and then I'm gonna take my spoon back out. I'm just gonna kind of make this normal what it was before. Great. There's our lava for that one. Making me hungry. Okay. Plate tectonics. We just did divergent, so now we're going to do convergent. Oh, this one's broken too. Okay. I'm a little picky about this. We're going to get one that's not broken. And I told you I was hungry. Okay. Sorry, now I'm done with my midnight snack. What you're going to do for this one is you're going to take your cup of water that I told you needed in the beginning, and you're going to place the graham crackers into the water, just like a quarter of the way down. So I think that's good. We're gonna just kind of let them sit there for a second. If you can tell, this is a hockey cup. This is the Colorado Avalanche. Really missing our sports right now. Hopefully this all gets back to normal. I really miss you all and hope you guys are doing great. Okay, it looks like they're about good. Oh, okay. They just disintegrated. Here, we'll just use these halves. That's okay. Okay, so don't hold them in that long. Don't have a conversation with somebody while you do it. Okay, take them, put them down on the peanut butter. Okay, now we're going to see what happens when we push them together. Because we're trying to make a convergent boundary. Oh, this is harder. Awesome. So, we pushed them together. These two tectonic plates came together towards each other. And now we can see that we have a huge landform or mountain formation going on. So, pretty neat. Okay. Awesome. So, oh, also I didn't mention this, but my mom would have been really upset if I got her table dirty, so I had a towel down and the peanut butter got on it. So, make sure you do that. Okay. I told you if you were allergic to peanut butter, there was an alternate way that we could do this, and you could use frosting. I had frosting out. This is just from St. Patrick's Day a long time ago. I made like some cookies, so I don't want to eat it, but I'll use it for this experiment. Okay, we're going to do one more, and we're just going to talk it through about what kind of boundary this one would be. This is so messy. Okay. Alright, so we're going to get our spoon again. We're also trying not to waste a bunch of stuff. So, just gonna, try to move it around, make it like kind of sort of even-ish. Alright. There's a hot magma. Okay. So, for this one, we're going to actually mix it up. We're going to use pretzels. Okay. So, these are also one of my favorite snacks. If you don't have any of this at home, it's okay. You can just think about it and see what you could improvise with. These pretzels look like this. If you have not had them, they are the bomb. Okay. All right. We're going to, again, take our water. I'm not going to try to talk to you this time while we're doing it. You're just going to place a corner in it. So, write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Take them out. I'll move the water so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. Could have also probably worn a shirt I didn't care about. Okay, anyway. Okay, so these are the sides that I put in the water, and we're going to see what happens when we place these two together. Okay, so again, get them as close as possible to begin with. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah. So, what you can see here is that the denser of the two is making it so that we have a subduction zone right here. One of these plate tectonics is denser than the other. Bonus for if you can tell me which one is denser than the other and why we had this subduction zone. You can put that bonus question in my favorite color, pink, at the bottom of your deliverable. Great. So, because we're pushing these two together, and you can see we're just creating that subduction zone, so one of the plates is totally lifted, and the other is just sliding down further. Okay. Awesome. So, that's how you can convince your parents that you need some more snacks in the house. And that's plate tectonics. All right. Here, let me chew for a second. Learn about whole new Miss Paradise. Okay. All right, so now, please make sure you turn in your deliverable and you get it all the way filled out. And bonus points for anybody who sends me or attaches a video or a picture of them doing this experiment. Can't wait to see what you all turn in, and I'm super excited to celebrate the last week of school with you. Bye.